2011 Nissan Armada SL, 4D Sport Utility, DVD player with auxiliary inputs, one owner clean Carfax, and power tilt and glide moonroof. Well loved. Are you interested in a simply great SUV? Then take a look at this great, reliable 2011 Nissan Armada. Your garage will only be the second one this one-owner Armada has parked in, and you can definitely see the pride of ownership experienced in that first garage. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.